So today, guys, we're gonna be building a temporary enclosure for this baby garter snake. This isn't its permanent home. This is for like 2 or 3 weeks before we get that tank over there. Everything we need for it. This is a 50-gallon, but this is just the temporary home, and we're gonna be setting it up. And for the substrate, I'm using Repti soil, some Repti sand for like texture, and some cocoa fiber. Yeah. And then we got wood, 2 stone things, and a hide that hopefully will fit. And yeah. And then like some trimmings of this plant. You want to kind of like 2 or 3 inches. That's where I like it. Good. As long as it's temporary. So I can also use this too. Then I'm gonna use the non-existent spray bottle. Let's get this wetness, some water. Let's since that's so dry. Now it's time to add the cork bark for like a high. I'm just gonna do that. Cover the back up. This side. Build. This. The main. Let's get, yeah, let's make it pretty good. And there. I will plant right here. I was gonna use this stub, but I realized it's too small. Piece of bark, just for like shedding reasons. I'm gonna go grab the water dish. It's actually pretty important. This will go. Put this part here for extra like shedding reasons. And right there. This, so you want to give them climbing. So they do climb a bit, and yeah, that seems pretty good. Then I don't even know what. I'm just like that right here. This. Place it right here. It'll like grow just for green, just for the sake of green. I'm gonna stack it to help retain moisture. Okay. yeah, kind of quick, easy setup, temporary setup. I'm gonna go there, and then I'm gonna go grab some more water to fill this water dish, and I'll be right back. So I'm back now with some more water. I'm gonna give it a good mist. Misting. Drop some water in. And yeah, basically done. Now we're gonna put them in, or her, we don't know yet. Like a common garter snake. Small. That's like my hand in comparison. Little baby. This is a large critter keeper, just temporary. Do not recommend putting an actual baby garter snake.